Hi there, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. If you're new here, my name is Sharon, and when I am not working full-time as an audit graduate or starting to be a chartered accountant, I make videos relating to all things beauty. I'm especially passionate about beauty on a budget. If that sounds like something you're interested in, then I would love for you to consider subscribing to my channel. Today we are doing something different and we are doing a review on hair care products. I am reviewing the entire Redken Extreme shampoo line. I bought the shampoo, which are 1 litre each, so it's the huge one, and I bought these from Catch of the Day for $80 together, so they're about $40 each. I have seen them floating around on Adore Beauty for around the same price, so you're looking at $80 to $85 for a pack of the 1 litre, which is the shampoo and conditioner, but apparently the retail value is around $100, but generally you can find it for $80. The anti-snap treatment costs $24.95, and I got that from ozhairandbeauty.com, and the mega mask was $28.95, which I also got from Oz Hair and Beauty. So already you can tell that these products are quite expensive. Redken is known to be one of the more premium hair care products. This is the first time I've ever tried their products, and before that I've been using Fanola shampoo for almost 2 years now. It is important for me to give you the background of my hair, what the context of it is, because that is obviously going to affect my results and the review of the product itself. So with my hair, I have highlights or a balayage on my hair. The last time that I got it done was about 2.5 months ago, and I usually dye my hair once a year. I also cut it once a year, so straight off the bat you can already tell that I'm probably not doing what's best for my hair, and kind of contributed to the fact that my hair was damaged and unhealthy. On top of that, I always use blue shampoo on my hair every single time that I wash it. I've been using purple and blue shampoo for about 2-3 years since I've been getting balayage on my hair done. I have a video on my channel with exactly how I wash my hair using the Fanola blue and purple shampoo. Feel free to watch it if you want. I still use blue and purple shampoo even while using the Redken Extreme range. This is what my hair looks like before everything and before going on my damaged hair care journey. At the moment it's just pretty much at my waist and it's extremely dead. Just look at how all of that is so extremely dead. Let me just show you how long my hair is now. It's been just been over a month since I first used these products, maybe a month and a half, and currently my hair, let me just zoom out so you can see. That is how long my hair is about after a month and a half of using it. I would say it's just, when I bring it down all the way here, it is almost reaching my hips. And I did get my hair trimmed, so maybe about 2.5 months ago when I highlighted my hair. I haven't cut my hair since I've been using these products, and I wanted to do a review before I went ahead and cut my hair off, in case that obviously made a difference to my hair being a lot healthier, because naturally it would be. So after I do this review, I will cut my hair, and if I see any difference or major improvement, I will do an update video on how the products work after that. I only wash my hair once a week, so that would mean I have used these products about 6 or 7 times. The reason why I wanted to buy these products was because I honestly felt like my hair was just so dry and so dead from having it dyed. Even though I didn't dye it very much, I only dyed it once a year, I did not cut my hair at all. I only cut it once a year, and if I cut it, it was really just a trim, and that is why my hair is really quite long, and it just had an insane amount of split ends. I think I still have a lot of split ends on my hair, but I just remember there would be some, like even around the midsection of my hair, it would just look extremely split end. And I took a close-up photo maybe a few weeks ago, and I'll just insert it here, but you can really see how split my hair is. It's just mad splitty. Because I'm not using these products to grow my hair is already long. I'm not really going to go into about how it's made my hair grow, although obviously I think because it has been a month and a half, my hair has grown a tiny bit, and the first time I did use it, I did measure and look at how long my hair was. So I will insert some information on that post editing of this video, because I don't remember how long it was when I first started using it. The first time I did start using this product though, I recorded myself on that day using each product and going step by step with what I did. So the first thing I did was my purple and blue shampoo routine where I put it on my dry hair. And then I used the Redken Extreme shampoo and the conditioner. And then I followed up with the mega mask and the anti-snap treatment. Now I followed the instructions exactly on the bottle. So when shampooing and conditioning your hair, the mask says that you have to apply it to towel dried damp hair. Now this was really annoying, but I really did get out of the shower, put my microfiber towel on, dried my hair, let it sit for about 5 minutes, got changed. Then after it dried a bit, I applied this mask on my hair, left it in for about 3 to 5 minutes as it said, and then I washed it out. So every time I have been using this shampoo, I have been legit getting a microfiber towel and towel drying my hair and just applying it. So I'm not just straight away applying it after I shampoo and condition my hair in the shower, which is what I would normally do with every other hair mask. So that is something to take into consideration. The first time I ever used this product, I was like, oh my gosh, I actually did not get to record my reaction to using it for the first time because I was out of the house and I didn't have my camera with me. But the first time I used it, my hair, I'm telling you, I have never felt my hair feel as soft in my life. Like this took me back to probably how soft my hair was before I dyed it. It didn't feel brittle and dry like straw, especially towards the ends, because my hair is really dead at the ends. Even the ends felt extremely soft, and I asked my boyfriend and I asked him to touch my hair and he noticed it as well, which says a lot because, you know, boys never notice anything. So yeah, my hair straight away felt so soft. And then after I've used that product, my hair's consistently felt soft. It feels especially soft when I first wash it. I'm on the Redken website and I'm going to tell you what the product claims to do, and in my review I'm going to address whether I believe that the products actually do that or not. So the Extreme Hair Strengthening Hair Care products, according to their website, fortify hair to be 15 times stronger and also result in a 75% reduction in breakage. There is a little note on the website that, you know, these claims only work when you are using the entire line, so the shampoo, conditioner, mega mask and the anti-snap treatment. The products do have biotin and a lot of protein in your hair, which essentially is meant to sort of build up the bonds and kind of repairs the structure of your hair. And because these products have a lot of protein in them, you are not meant to be using these products every single time you wash your hair, and they say that you should take a break or use it every few washes or so. For me, I have been using it about 6 or 7 times in a row, but I only wash my hair once a week, so I don't know if that makes a difference to everything. I also feel like with my split ends, while I do have some, it is not as bad as it was before I started using the products. That the split ends that I can see seem to be more concentrated towards the end, but I can't really seem to find too much in the midsections. I will be cutting my hair and I will continue to use the products, and I will let you know how they go over time. If you want an update, then please subscribe to my channel so you can stay tuned for that. So now just giving you my overall thoughts and opinions after using these products for a month and a half. Do I think it is worth the 133 Australian dollars that I paid for? And in my honest opinion, as always, I bought all of them with all of my hard-earned accountant hours. I do think that these products are worth it, and I do agree with the claims that the brand makes in saying that it fortifies the hair to be stronger and that there is less breakage. I don't know about 15 times stronger because I never lifted my hair with weights to begin with, but yeah, I honestly can tell a difference in the month and a half that I've used it alone, that it has reduced the breakage of my hair. It's brought my hair back feeling some life and elasticity, some shine and some bounce into my hair, and I've had some people notice that my hair looks a little bit healthier as well, and by people I mean myself, because I don't think anyone else in my family notices. I do think that buying the 1 litre pack is also quite reasonable, even though it is a little bit more expensive at $40. That is how much my Fanola shampoo costs that I normally buy, which is 1 litre. And in my experience of having 1 litre bottles, because I am gross and I only wash my hair once a week,
these products will last me for about a year or even more. So I do think it's worth it. These ones are obviously a little bit more expensive and smaller, but I do think if you can't afford to get the entire range, then I would consider just maybe buying the treatments alone. Even though I have not used these treatments alone and without the shampoo, I have noticed in a lot of reviews, because I really did research this brand when I was looking for, you know, products that were best for dry, damaged hair care. Redken Extreme consistently kept coming up as a brand that was good, and a lot of people recommended the anti-snap treatment, and so many people have said that when they dye their hair or bleach the crap out of it, that the anti-snap has always saved them. I do agree with that, and it's been working great for me. An update in a few more months after I actually chop off my hair and continue using these products, so make sure you stay subscribed for that so you can actually hear how it goes. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much again for taking the time out of your day for watching this. I hope you're having an amazing day, night, morning, afternoon, or wherever you are in your part of the world. I will catch you in my video next weekend. Bye guys!